What's up, guys? On the road. I want to pick up my block from my Camaro. Got about a 2.5 hour drive. Been having a few people ask me, hey man, what's going on with the race cars? Well, what's up with the race car content? Well, back in March, remember I loaded the head gaskets on the Camaro. Took the block in the head to a machine shop. A shop I had never dealt with before. But they was supposed to be known for their LS work. So like I get them a try. Maybe I can pick up on something. Had a good relationship with my existing machine shop, but since there was an LS motor, I said I'll go deal with these guys. Man, worst experience ever. The guy had my stuff 6 months. Don't communicate. When he do communicate to you, he lying. He tell you he got your stuff done. He just got one little thing to do. You make a 2.5 hour ride to go pick your stuff up. He ain't touched it. It's still sitting in the same spot it was when you dropped it off. You give him another chance. He promise you he'll have you done that Friday. You call him back 3 Fridays later. You give him double the amount of time. He says the air compressor went out. I've never seen a machine shop take 4 months to get an air compressor. So I'm headed up here to get my stuff. If he done or not, just have to take it somewhere else. It's been terrible. It's been terrible. So that's what's been going on with the race car stuff. But hopefully we'll take it somewhere else and try to get the block work done and get it back together so we can get back out there. I'm gonna keep y'all updated on this journey. I might film a little bit from the shop so you guys know who to be cautious of. Alright guys, so after 2.5 hours of driving, I'm about to pull up at this shop. I hope this man got my stuff done. Regardless if it's done or not, I gotta get it. 6 months been long enough. So here's the shop right here. I would not recommend doing business with this shop right here. Here's my block right here. You see, he didn't even weld it up. He just put some epoxy on it. Sad, man, just sad.
Jeez, we do have a party going on today.
Do you use that dry or you put some on it?
We soaked it in WD-40.
Alright guys, so I got my block in the back and I'm leaving this disaster. So I told this guy, weld up my block and machine it back and deck it. He put some epoxy on it. The epoxy started eating itself up when he washed the block to clean it. So you know that ain't gonna last when it get hot, get pressure on it, get water, antifreeze on it. That ain't gonna last. And he said he was gonna put my block in the honing machine and hone it. Well, he had the hone. He used the same honing stone that I use. So I asked the little guy that did the honing on it, hey, how did you hone it? I did 30 strokes. What you hone it with? You had a lubricant? Yeah, we use a little WD-40. Man, I could have honed it. It's no telling how much material he done took off my block, out of my cylinders. This is just ridiculous. This was a bad mistake, but it's a lesson learned. I would never come back here. Never. The guy said he put some good cross hatches in my home. Y'all see the cross hatches? You see any cross hatches? I don't. And that's so critical to make a motor seal up. Look at this. That's why I do all my work myself. Man, I really like, I just didn't have the machine, the honing machine and the decking machine. But to go to AutoZone and get some $14 JB Weld and smear it in there, and just to get a ball hone and hone these, I could have done that. At least I would have knew what I had. Man, it's sad. It's just really sad. I just don't know. I just don't know what to do.